Hey there, teens! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common skincare concern, blackheads. But first, a quick word about a product that has been creating waves in the medicine market. Meet the Aizen Power Male Enhancement Supplement. If you're looking to boost your confidence, stamina, libido, and performance, check out Aizen Power for that extra edge. Link is in the description below. Now, let's talk about blackheads. They're those pesky little dark spots that can pop up on your nose, chin, and forehead. But fear not. I've got some tips and tricks to help keep them at bay. First things first, you'll want to cleanse your skin regularly. Use a gentle cleanser like this one to remove dirt, oil, and dead skin cells that can clog your pores and lead to blackheads. Massage the cleanser onto damp skin in circular motions, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel, being careful not to rub too harshly. Another effective way to remove blackheads is with pore strips. These adhesive strips work by pulling out dirt and oil from your pores, leaving your skin feeling smooth and clear. Simply apply the strip to clean, dry skin, press it down gently, and wait for it to dry completely. Once it's dry, carefully peel it off to reveal the gunk it's removed from your pores. Gross, but satisfying. Lastly, don't forget to moisturize. Keeping your skin hydrated is key to maintaining its health and preventing blackheads. Look for a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer like this one that won't clog your pores. Apply a dime-sized amount to your skin and gently massage it in until it's fully absorbed. And remember to wear sunscreen during the day to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. And there you have it, some simple tips and tricks for preventing blackheads. Remember to be consistent with your skincare routine, and don't be afraid to experiment with different products to find what works best for you. Before we wrap up, I want to give another shout out to the Aizen Power Male Enhancement Supplement. If you're ready to take your performance to the next level, be sure to check them out using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next